Hello students, today I am going to teach you the second topic of surface chemistry, catalyst. You know very well what is catalyst, but do you know who used the word catalyst first? Berzelius scientist suggested the word catalyst in 1835. We know the definition of catalyst: substance which change the rate of reaction are known as catalyst, or which alter the rate of reaction without participating in the reaction. Chemically and quantitatively, the amount of catalyst doesn't change after the reaction. अब आपने सुना है what are catalyst promoter and catalyst poisons. Catalyst promoters are those substances which increase the activity of catalyst, which enhance the activity of catalyst. For example, in Haber's process, during the manufacture of ammonia, iron is act as catalyst and we added some amount of molybdenum. It act as promoter for iron catalyst. It means molybdenum is catalyst promoter in Haber's process. Okay. Second is catalyst poison. Those substances which decrease the activity of catalyst are called catalyst poison. For example, in the above process or in the Haber's process, carbon monoxide acts as catalyst poison. It decreases the activity of iron catalyst. Okay. Now you understand catalyst promoter and catalyst poison. Now we comes on the catalysis, the phenomena of catalyst. The process of catalyst is known as catalysis. Maximum catalyst increase the reactivity of the speed of chemical reaction. They are known as positive catalyst and their phenomena is called positive catalysis. Okay. If the catalyst decrease the rate of reaction, the phenomena is called negative catalysis. It is more important than positive catalysis because in a few reactions we use some substance which decrease the rate of reaction. For example, in decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, reaction को notice करो. Decomposition of hydrogen peroxide means hydrogen peroxide decompose into water and oxygen. After long standing, ज़्यादा समय तक रखा रहे तो हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड ब्रेक हो जाता है, वाटर में चेंज हो जाता है. बट हम तो ये नहीं चाहते कि हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड वाटर में चेंज हो जाए, इसलिए इसमें ऐड करते हैं फॉस्फोरिक एसिड. Phosphoric acid is negative catalyst for this reaction. Same in oxidation of chloroform. क्लोरोफॉर्म रखा हुआ है लंबे समय तक तो ये ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाता है COCl2 फॉस्जीन गैस में. इट इज अ पॉइजनस गैस. इन दिस रिएक्शन ethanol is act as negative catalyst which decrease the oxidation of chloroform. Okay, means positive catalyst increase the rate of reaction and negative catalyst decrease the rate of reaction. Now, the types of catalysis on the basis of physical state are two. First is homogeneous catalysis. Homogeneous means similar. Similar is the physical state of reactant and catalyst. The process is homogeneous catalysis. अगर reactant liquid है तो catalyst भी liquid हो, reactant गैस है, catalyst भी गैस है, means physical state is similar. Process is homogeneous catalysis. For example, ये reaction है हाइड्रोलाइसिस ऑफ शुगर के. शुगर जो हम यूज़ करते हैं उसका एक्वस सॉल्यूशन लिया और इसका हाइड्रोलिसिस करते हैं तो ग्लूकोज और फ्रुक्टोज फॉर्म होता है. इन दिस रिएक्शन सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड is act as catalyst which is homogeneous catalyst for this reaction. Sugar, water and sulfuric acid all have similar physical state, liquid state. Second is heterogeneous catalysis. When the reactant and the catalyst are different in their physical state. The process is known as heterogeneous catalysis. For example, in the oxidation of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide and oxygen are gases and platinum is solid catalyst, different from reactant. Okay, means it is an heterogeneous catalyst. फिर से आते हैं मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ अमोनिया वाले एग्जाम्पल पर. नाइट्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन आर गैसेस. Iron is solid. It is different from the physical state of reactant. It means it is an heterogeneous catalyst and this process is heterogeneous catalysis. Okay, I think you understand well what is catalyst, what is catalyst promoter, catalyst poison, homogeneous and heterogeneous catalysis. In our next lecture, I will teach you the process of homogeneous and heterogeneous catalysis. Thank you, students.